Hi, today is Tuesday and I'm Mrs. Hofer, and today we're going to warm up with counting by 10 to 100. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Sometimes I like to use my fingers and count each finger as a 10. So let's try that again. We can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's not really 100 fingers, but there are 10 groups of 10 in 100. So practice counting by tens at home. And now we're going to warm up our thinking about weight. So I'm going to show you two pictures, and I want you to tell me which one is lighter. Now remember, when we're talking about weight, we're talking about how heavy something is. And so something that is heavy is going to go down on the scale, and something that is light is going to go up on the scale. Okay, so I want you to, as soon as you know, shout out which one is lighter. Is it the sandwich or the dog? That's right, it's the sandwich. The sandwich is lighter than the dog. Very good. Okay. All right, so this time I want you to tell me which one is lighter. I have a vase and this is a miniature toy bed. Which one is lighter? Which one do you think would be lighter? That's right. The bed would be lighter than the vase. Okay, we have a pig and a bell. Which one would be lighter? Right, the bell is lighter than the pig. Can you say that at home with me? I want you to say, the bell is lighter than the pig. Try it. The bell is lighter than the pig. Good job. Okay, I have two pictures left. This one I have a beach ball. Beach balls can be pretty big, can't they? And I have a rock. Even though the beach ball is bigger, it's still what? That's right, it's still lighter. So we would say the beach ball is lighter than the rock. Can you say that for me? The beach ball is lighter than the rock. Good job. Okay, and now we're going to use our scale like we did yesterday. We have a balance scale, and we're going to make two balls to put in our scale. And we're going to see, I'm going to roll this one. So this is Play-Doh. And I have another ball of Play-Doh. We're going to see which one. I'm going to try to make them about the same. We'll see if we can do that. And do you think that these two balls are going to weigh the same? Well, in just a second, I'm going to put them in the balance scale and we're going to find out. So give me just a sec. Okay, so now I'm going to take the two balls of Play-Doh and I'm going to put one in one side and I'm going to put the other one in the other side. And we're going to see if they are the same, if they weigh the same. It doesn't quite look like it. So it looks like the one over here is heavier and the one over here is lighter. What could I do to make the two balls of Play-Doh the same? What could I do? Do you have any ideas for me? Well, maybe I could take a little bit of Play-Doh off of this one and add it to this one. Let's see if I can get these the same. Okay, so it looks like they're a little closer, but this one is still heavier. So what should I do? That's right, I'm going to need to take a little more off. Probably not too much. Okay, and I'm going to add it to this side. And then I'm going to put this one back in on the other side and see if they're the same now. Get those to stop rocking back and forth. Awesome. Now it looks like this ball of Play-Doh is the same weight as that ball of Play-Doh, or as close as I can get it. Maybe this one might be just a tad bit heavier. Okay, good job. Another thing we can do is we can, when we want to make it the same, means we need to have the same weight on both sides. So on your paper today, you have some cubes. And if I have 3 cubes, and I have them stacked together like this on this side, what do I need on this side? How many cubes do I need to make it the same? I should need, right, 3 cubes. So let's see if I put the 3 cubes in here. This time they're not together like they are on the other side. And so 3 cubes is the same as 3 cubes. They weigh the same, even though they look different. This one's built into a little tower and this one's individual, but they still have the same weight. Okay, if I did a tower and made, let's say, 4, and I put them together, and I put them, let's put them over here this time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many would I need on that side to make it the same? That's right, I would need 4. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that makes it equal or the same. Okay? So on your paper today, your math page, page 53, you are going to count the number of cubes on this side of the scale. Do you see how the scale is straight across? That means it's equal. And you're going to find the pan that would go over here that has the same weight. So if it's the same number, it would have the same weight. So we have 3 and 3. And you would draw a line from that pan to that scale. So you would draw a line from here to there because those are the same. So go ahead and finish your page and you can practice some more with your scale online and I will see you tomorrow.